This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a custom video thumbnail for your YouTube videos using PowerPoint, some images and some text. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to PowerPoint itself, open that up so we can click on Microsoft PowerPoint, and now we can go to a blank presentation. Remove all this text and boxes and save the PowerPoint presentation first by calling it custom video thumbnail, and we can place this onto the desktop for the moment. So click save, and now we can go to the dock, go to Safari, and we can download an image of a Mac computer. So MacBook Pro, Retina display, and go to images, click on this one, right click and save image as. Remove all this and say mac.jpg, save to the desktop, go on save, and go to YouTube and copy some text from a video that I have called How to Use iTunes, a full tutorial, user guide, tricks and tips. Go to edit, and we can take this text for the moment, just copy it, go back to Google, and now type in iTunes logo. And we can use this one. So right click, go save image as, iTunes logo, save that to the desktop too. And now we can go back to our PowerPoint presentation, take this image, put it on to the PowerPoint, and we can now paste our text that we had. So if I insert a text box and I'm in here, we can paste. So we have the text, and now increase the size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can increase the size of the boxes, and now we can take this image and bring it onto the custom video thumbnail itself. So I think we are good to go. We are ready to take a screenshot. So if I just do Command and Enter, that puts this into a full screen, and now we can use Command, Shift and 4 in order for us to take a screenshot of a selected size. So the screenshot has been taken. Now we can save this and move out of PowerPoint. So now we have the image on the desktop. So if I go to Get Info, at the moment the image is 4.3 MB. YouTube usually wants you to upload a custom video thumbnail that is about 2 MB in size and no larger than 2 MB. So we can just decrease the size of the image itself, and now take another screenshot. So that's it, and this is the current screenshot that we have. So go to Get Info, and now you can see that it's 1.4 MB in size, and this is the image that we will upload to our video as a custom video thumbnail, so we can get out of preview. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial where I'll show you how to actually upload the thumbnail to the video. Thanks for now.